Hey guys, Mark here, American Suspension. This is our FK-80 preload kit. So this is going to allow you to, you can extend the height of your fork tubes without swapping the tubes, and B, it's going to come with a little higher rate spring, and it's going to allow you to preload it, adjust it from the top. So the cap has an adjuster bolt, so you can screw it in. And then the way it works is it's going to push down this push rod into this and push on the spring. So you can do that all from the top. I'm going to show you real quick how you would set it up. So you're going to get you get a circlip, an O-ring for the cap, spring, push rod, and a spring spacer. I'm doing a 21 ST. This is the appropriate place to start. You kind of want, when you set it up in the fork tube, you want to have about 3/4 of an inch push down before thread engagement. So you want to be able to push it down about 3/4 of an inch before the threads start to engage these threads inside the fork tube. So the way you would do it is you're going to you have your fork, you're going to have oil in it. This one's dry, but you're going to drop your spring in. Then you're going to drop your spacer with the male side going into the spring, drop them like that, and then you want to run this all the way up. So go back a step. So this screws in to here. You're going to put a little bit of red Loctite on the threads. We're going to run this up a little bit. So you want to screw this in and just kind of hand tighten it like that. Just hand tighten it with some red Loctite on it. And then you want to adjust it so that it's all the way up. And it's as close as you can get when you do the install. That way you have full force to be able to preload it. So I put the spring and the spring spacer in there. I've got the circlip on this setup. I've got it at the second to the last notch. I then put this in to here, like that, and then you can kind of see I've got about 3/4 of an inch before the threads start to turn. And then I just push down, screw it, and then when I do it, and then I can go back once it's in the bike, and I screw this, down to give it more preload. That way, it's an adjustable preload kit. We have 1, 2, and 3 inch tall caps, so you can increase your height. It's a great setup. It's a great price point. It's a super adjustable setup for your front end. Very easy to do, very easy to install. All right, thanks, Mark, American Suspension.